Hi folks, another video as many call how to make aluminium parts with a small mini mill. Here Linux CNC is running. The mill is not stable at all. It's about 4/10. It can flip here, and let's see how it goes. It should work. Okay, so I start the system. Okay, I stopped it. I paused the system. So here you can see the rest part here is still lying. Yeah, there's nothing going on. It's not fixed. It's not fixed at all. You can just take it up here, and here Linux CNC is running, and the path is coming from SLCam here. Hope you can prove it. I will restart it and we'll see how it happened. It's about 600 millimeter per minute.